Good morning, YouTube modeling community. Saturday morning. It's real early, but I kept thinking about this project, so I went ahead and got up. As you can see here, this is, I guess just as a quick review, this is the Mills Earls oil kit. And I'm making some more progress. I have the sign on the roof here, and it's weathered up a little bit. And yeah, I'm really liking how this is coming along. I also added a little lamp above the doorway there, and working on the old oil tanks. I also have a couple of the bigger ones there in primer, and they just need to be weathered up. So we have that. Let me set this back here a little bit. And then I also have, I'm working on the fencing, and I was thinking I might want a couple pieces fell off that I wanted to paint it, and then maybe take a India ink and alcohol solution, and I put over the top of it, and it didn't really stain it or fade it out the way I'd hoped. So I've taken some of the India ink solution and just put it over the top of the fencing, just to give it a little bit more weathering and staining. I think I'm just going to kind of go with just kind of the rustic wood color here for the fencing. And I've taken, I don't know if it'll show up on here, but I've cut off random pieces of the fencing boards just to give it, didn't want it to look, you know, brand new or anything, and I did it just randomly, give it a weathered look and give it a little bit of interest, so everything's just not all uniform. But yeah, that's the update for now. I should be getting a fair amount of bench time this weekend, and we'll see how it goes here. Anyway, I hope you all are having a good weekend so far, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.